Number 48. We ready? Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, the Daheli Corporation and the Congress Party and also the other political parties in the corporation, in the last corporation as well as in the present one, appointed one committee from the corporation consisting of all the parties which was to consider and decide what amendments they wanted in the Municipal Corporation Act. Full stop. In the present corporation also a similar committee is there which has been examining the desirability of introducing new legislation to amend and improve the functioning of the present corporation. Full stop. That committee is deciding and considering this issue and its proposals and suggestions will be sent to the Home Ministry very shortly. Full stop. The Home Ministry is also very anxious that various amendments should be brought forward and that the act should be improved so as to make the corporation very effective and efficient. Full stop. The Home Ministry have asked for suggestions and proposals from this committee and the committee is also anxious about it. Full stop. That being the case, I think that this bill may be postponed pending the consideration of all the suggestions which will come not only from this committee but from the Home Ministry. Full stop. The Home Ministry themselves have quite a few proposals in view to introduce so as to take care of the various lacunae that there are there. Full stop. Also this committee of the corporation and the Congress Party in Delhi as well as other political parties in Delhi are anxious to make their suggestions. Full stop. All those suggestions from all the parties and this corporation committee have to be examined in detail by the Home Ministry as well as the other departments concerned. Full stop. And there could be several suggestions by the ministry itself. Full stop. So when all those proposals come, then I think the whole bill should be taken up and one complete comprehensive bill should be introduced to take care of all the difficulties, shortcomings and defects that there are in the Municipal Corporation Act. Full stop. I may only briefly touch some of the difficulties that we have been facing for a very long time. Full stop. I think the ministry is very particular that the power should be kept in the hands of the executive. Full stop. All the chairmen are also absolutely helpless, so much so that this is a common talk among the members in the corporation, among the members in the Congress Party who have to run some of the show of the corporation. Full stop. Overall.